Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we're going to be showing you, you know what that symbol is, Creative Notions bag.
Looking at it like I don't know. Ooh, what is that?
You know what that is.
Yes,
okay,
I do.
let's get it open. First we have coconut blueberry cheesecake bars.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Well, I would just leave out the coconut because I can't do it. But all the rest
True,
sounds
true.
good. Yes, the rest of it sounds delicious. But for all those that like the coconut, that adds a little bit more sweetness to it. Alrighty, what would you like to show?
Put in front of me what I need to be showing.
Well, no, I'm just...
We got zippers! Oops. No? That's
3-pack.
5-pack.
Oh, 5-pack.
12-inch zippers. 5-pack.
Enamel zipper charm and a flag. I have to put it down a little bit because I can't even read it.
No, now who needs?
Flag label set. Okay, hold on here. Let's take this out of the bag. Okay, so this is what it comes like. It's 6 enamel charms. So you want to hold a couple of them up.
Okay.
5 100% cotton labels. Here. These are the labels.
Am I not holding them fast enough?
I'm just... These are the labels. Little hearts on them.
Here are the charms. Oops, 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 oops. Hang on, it's backwards.
I was going to say, what do we got here?
They're the same. That's why I was holding up these 3.
Oh, okay.
So it's a star. Oh, can you see the star? There you go. There's the star. And the tree.
Okay.
And a piece of candy.
That tree.
What are you doing?
Showing the same thing.
It's overlapping. Oh, here, no, let me.
Those are pretty nice.
Like a little kid fighting for the front of the camera. Oh, take a picture of me. And they push their sibling out of the way.
And this is a yard right here of herring 100% half-inch herringbone tape. If y'all can see the herringbone, that's it. That's a little zigzag, looks like that way.
Tape?
Yeah, it's a type of tape. Go ahead,
That's
reach for it one more
twice.
time. Yeah.
No, it just feels like ribbon. Like,
But it's called tape. You wouldn't call it ribbon if you were looking for it at the store. Then nobody would know that that was...
if you bought that at the store, you wouldn't call it tape either. Because they would take it to the Scotch tape. I'm sorry. I really thought it was like tape.
I know. I know what you thought.
Okay.
All right, so we have a Christmas cookie throw and a table topper. So, oh, that's looking nice. Look at that. Okay. That's a table topper. Or, well, wait a minute. Actually, this is probably the quilt. Yeah. 46.5 by 57.5. And that's the table topper they made on the back.
No, I was trying to see how the top one, these right here, is
made the same way. They're just different. Like you talk about the fabric.
Yeah, like there's
here they use
different
the
fabric.
same fabric.
And this, I don't know, this right, oh gosh, I'm trying not to get a glare and I'm trying not to go fast, but this little like X or
Design,
whatever, the square, it reminds me of when I was a kid and we had those little paper,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, with the numbers and says, oh, pick 1 through
the game.
6. And then you pick 1, you open up the little thing. Like, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Right. That's what that looked like. And
I'm
then
sure you guys know what the name of that game was.
I don't know what it was.
I
I
don't
can't
either.
even remember how to make it. But then the other rulers.
I was gonna say for those quilts that we just showed you, the table topper and the quilt. That's
So
what they
there's
would
the
use.
kite.
Yep.
The kite ruler.
Mm-hmm.
So back it up just a little bit, or at least I can put it sideways so you can see it. There you go. And then,
And you can see the pattern there. Okay, go ahead.
all right, who's showing this? Me or you? I mean, here you go
Who's
again.
showing
It's
the
like,
ruler?
oh, look at me, I'm over here. Anyway, this is a side triangle for the 9-inch kite ruler. That's what that says. Okay. All right.
And
She goes again.
so there you go. That shows you the ruler here. That's how you're going to use it right there. And this sheet comes in with the rulers. This is right here, kite set. That's the rulers. Okay. Now here is what you would use for the zipper. We're out of order. We're just jumping all over the place. So that's what you're going to make, the zipper pouches. And all the different bags. And y'all probably have made those before already.
I have not made those before.
And they'll show you how to do the pulls.
Ooh.
There
Oh,
you
I don't
go,
have it
right
with me.
there.
I did make a coin purse though.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't. Why do I see?
Oh, here we go. That was slipped in there, and I didn't even see that.
I'm sorry. There is a loose hair, and all I see is at the corner of my eye something floating back and forth.
Okay.
You sure you want me to show it, or sure you don't want to show it? All right. So this says a kitchen set apron with adjustable straps, oven mitt, and pot holders that you can make. Yeah, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Is this for an adult or a child?
The
The
size.
apron.
Tell the size? I'll tell you.
Pot holder, cutting, squares, rectangles. Hand pocket, top and lining. Don't know.
Well, the original pattern for this was in the October 2020 bag. If you go back to
Who
your...
has that bag? Let us know.
I have that bag.
Okay. Other than her.
Well, there's a lot of people on here that have been doing this for a long
but
time.
I mean,
Okay.
we know you have it, but what about somebody else? Do they have the original? And they can say, oh, that's an adult pattern.
There you go. It is an adult pattern. You can decrease it for a child. You're going to show that, or you can...
Garden Bloom Quilt. BOM Hibiscus.
Anybody know what BOM is? I do. Do you know?
Block of the month.
There you go. Bingo.
Yeah, but it said BOM. I thought.
I know. That's...
Anyway, so that looks like a pinwheel. Yes?
Yeah.
All right.
Pinwheel and a pinwheel.
There you go. Cool,
Okay.
cool. And then the back of it, of course, you make different things.
Put together. Uh-huh.
Right there.
It's really
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, I get 3 in a row. Oh my gosh. So excited. Garden Bloom Quilt Block of the Month is Tulip. Oops. I think I just put a bent in it, a crease in it. I bent it to put a crease in it. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
And then the back of it.
Make 4 blocks and put them together to create one.
Boy, that's a lot of work.
And the treat for the bag this month is pretzels. Okay, so if you, I'm not going to read this. If you get a box and you're a subscriber, they have a slip of paper they put in here regarding your payments. So you need to make sure that you read that. Okay, so here comes the best part. Most people just can't wait to get this part right here.
Can I?
In case you don't know, this is the July box, although it looks like it's a Christmas box.
Really?
Yeah, look, July subscription. We're late because of all the
Christmas in July,
Yeah,
of course.
mhm.
Let's put this
Peppermint
in the
parlor.
December box. All right, let's see if I can open.
Jeez,
Sorry.
that's all right.
I've had a little bit of cotton candy before I came up here. I think I just had a little mini sugar rush.
There you
Yes.
go. All right, that's pretty.
Isn't that cute?
I thought of everything for you.
You know what that reminds me of? At least with the house and
Mm-hmm.
just the house itself.
What's it remind you of?
Hansel and Gretel.
Ah,
Doesn't it?
yeah,
Because our
it does.
house was made of candy, and then
Yeah.
you've got, all the candy around it. But yes, and it's got the cocoa. Yeah, it's so pretty. And I think it's the same down there, too. Yeah, it's got cake and stuff.
You know that candy. Oh my god.
Oh, yes, candy.
Now, just set it aside, and we'll go with the next one. There you go. We can always fix it before we show it at the tail end.
Sure.
That's a pretty sort of an aqua.
Oh, she just doesn't want to say the G word. It's green. At least, it is, but it's not really showing up. So maybe I need to fold it again. It's kind of blue, but it's green.
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Here's red.
Sure, you don't want to say it's burgundy,
No, it's red.
Not the actual color.
That's pretty.
Very nice. I like
Yeah,
that.
with the checks. Mm.
Checks. It's plaid.
Plaid, excuse me. I don't know where the checks came from.
I don't know.
Okay,
Oh.
so here is a black background. With just
Who's
the
showing
first one.
this?
I'm the commentariist.
I guess so.
There you go. Mm.
It's similar to the first one that I showed, because it has the coffee with a hot cocoa. It has like a house, but now this is in a snow globe,
And I think since it's got
and
the,
it's got the candy, and now the candy's in the jar right here. That's cute. Hang on.
I
I'll
want
say
to
we
think that because it has the black background, that you can see more of that.
Yeah.
I thought that's what was in that one.
That's not in a jar, but
Yeah, honey, that is in a jar.
oh darn, it is. You're right.
You
It
can't
is
see-
like a snow globe. Oh my gosh. Okay, here, hold up that one. so they can see both of them. Now I feel silly. Is this upside down? No.
See? Well, look here.
You can fold it in half again and show it side by
you
side.
can see the jar right there.
Looks like it's in a
Vaguely.
snow globe.
Now show it in that one there.
Which jar?
It doesn't make any difference. Any jar is going to be fine because it's going to be.
And that was
and
see
that
candy
jar,
in the jar right there.
And it's hard to see it in the white. And this one makes me think of the barber pole. This next fabric.
Maybe it's not the same. I don't.
Could we dwell about this off camera? Put that piece of fabric aside. I tell you, squirrel over here. Come on.
No, I was just really focused on. Swear I'm never having cotton candy before we do a video again. It was too much sugar. It was like 2 little pinches, and I just can't do it. So those are the stripes.
Yeah, that could make you
Blind.
Challenge your eyesight. Okay, here comes a light color.
More candy, more cocoa, more cupcakes. Hang on a second, I can lift it up. Oh, golly. There we go.
It's got a burger on it.
A burger?
Is that a burger? No, that's
a
candy.
macaroon.
Macaroon, excuse
or
me.
a
Probably
whoopie pie or something.
I would go macaroon, actually. I think that's what that is.
Anyway.
Yeah, some sugar cookies, Christmas ornament, little balls, candy canes. I don't know what the little blue things are. Those could be little beads, seeds or something. I don't know about that right there.
Could be sprinkles.
That's true. It could be sprinkles.
You know, the kind that are big that you put on like fancy cupcakes and stuff. And yeah, that's all pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
And then here comes a little bit of writing on a red one.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
This one says sugar and spice. Let me just hold it up so you guys can see it too. It says sugar and spice. Gingerbread dreams are baked of these. And something else. Where's this says baking sakes? I can't read it.
Peppermint parlors is what this one says sideways. What are you talking about?
Well, if I point to it.
Baking. Oh, I see that. Okay. I don't know what it says. Baking.
Okay, good. You couldn't read it either.
Warms the heart. That's what it said.
Okay. That's cute.
Okay.
It's very teeny tiny. But it's pretty. I like it. I like it.
It's only teeny tiny if you don't have your glasses on and you need to have the
We're not talking about that right now. Okay. It's pretty, pretty, pretty.
Very pretty.
Oh, it's very nice.
Yes. Before we show everything.
Gosh, how many times we stopped this and had to start it again?
This is the second time. All right, so I stopped and read the paperwork.
Only because I said, shouldn't we be showing that?
Anyway, normally I read the paperwork first, but I didn't this time. So the first thing that I missed on the kitchen set with the apron and the oven mitt and the pot holders was this pot holder here, which is the longer. Okay.
Because you put your hand through here and your hand through here, and then you grab whatever.
And I did not know that the Friday sales, which Creative Notions has on their YouTube channel, I saw it on Facebook the other day. I thought it was just a one-time deal, but it's not. It's every Friday. So you can go over there and get some really good deals. Another thing is that is new is their mystery boxes. They have $25, $50, and $100 mystery boxes. So you go over there and to their website and search mystery box. Okay, that'll bring that up. The comment about the mystery box. So everybody can see it.
Make sure you don't have a glare.
There we go, right there. That's something new that I did not know about. We're going to have to do that just so we can find out what's in their box so we can show it.
We got to do it just so we can say we did it.
You're so funny.
I know. And she slowly pushes me out of the frame.
Also,
I feel this like,
they included a extra charm, so there was 6 this time instead of 5. 2 of each design for anyone that doesn't want to use them on the bags.
If you don't use them on the bags,
they said those who are crafty can make a pair of earrings from the charm.
Ooh, and I did not read that.
No, she didn't read it.
That is funny. That is on that paper, and I just said it.
Yep, exactly.
I like that.
Yep. See? Great minds think alike. Now we're going to set it up so everybody can see. Okay. Alrighty, hopefully the glare won't be too bad. There's all the different patterns. Let me just move some stuff as we go along here so you can see it all. There we go. Not like having a shadow to take care of that glare. Everything has a glare on it. Anyway, you get the gist of it. So, and then there's the charms set down. So here we go. There you can tell there's 2 of each. All right, and here are the winners. It's got a horrible glare on it. There we go.
Well, do you need me to?
I got it now with my hand up there.
Oh, okay.
Blocked it so they can read the winners.
I'm gonna try that.
Mm-hmm.
If you take your hand away, is it a glare?
I don't know. There we go. Yeah, that'll work.
It just needed to be held down. It was the corners were up.
Congratulations to all the winners. And then here are all the fat quarters. Great fabric. I really like that line of fabric. All right, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the box. Thanks, Vicki. This was a tremendous, fabulous, tremendous. I can't even think of all the words because every time you do a box, all of those that pick out the items for the box outdo themselves.
Really?
I've never had a disappointment. Never. All the fabrics are great. Bye-bye, everybody, and thank you for watching, and welcome all my new YouTube subscribers.